Okay, so here I am in the garage. We've got F3000A and F3000B over here. That's how they're identified in the app. And we've got bidirectional box A and bidirectional box B over here. And then they go over and feed into the garage sub panel. So we've got A right here, we've got B right here. And as you can see, every other breaker. So this one, A, goes up to red, and B will go over and up to black. So now we will go into the house. And in here to the main panel, we've got coming in down here the garage feed from the sub panel. So we've got red, which you remember should be A. That's CT-B2. And then black should be B, is B1. And those feed up into this breaker. And we've got, so we'll start with red. We've got every other one, you can see, goes over to this leg and goes up to L2, which is, yeah, right there. And you see I got the P1 facing the power coming in from the meter. And then the other one is obviously on the other leg. So L1, I don't know if you can see that. CT L1. And then the smart meter is over here. And so you can see we go across from the red over here and comes into this black wire and comes down in, and that is L2. And then the other one's L1, the red wire that's right here, adjacent to the black wire. So something interesting that I've seen in the app, and it's always been like this since I set it up from day one, is that the A, which is red, is hooked up to L2 CT and is hooked up to L2 in the smart meter. And it has always been displayed as A is L1 in the app. And likewise, B has been L2 in the app. But really, those should be flipped around. But it's always, when I set it up, that's the way that the system recognized it, and it has always worked like that up until recently, up until this firmware update. But in my mind, those two should be reversed. So interested to hear your thoughts on that. Okay, that's it.